Today we are going to be making pickled onions. I'm gonna grab 4 good-sized red onions. The trick to having good pickled onions is that when you slice your onions to make them as thin as possible, and then it allows all of your base to kind of soak into the onion easily. You can use a mandolin, you can just use a knife. I cut my finger using a mandolin before, so now I'm like super sketched out about using one. So I'm just gonna use a knife and we'll cut these up super thin. Okay, so those 4 onions filled up these 3 jars. Honestly, I just use whatever jars that are like in my cabinet and clean. I don't really care because I know we're just gonna open them and use them anyways. So next we're gonna go ahead and make the brine. It's so easy. I have my recipe written down. I'm not gonna fool you guys. I don't remember recipes ever. Like I said, I have mom brain, so I can't remember anything. I have in my saucepan 2.5 cups of water, and then I'm gonna add 2.5 cups of white vinegar. And we're gonna do 6 tablespoons of sugar. Next is 2 tablespoons of sea salt. And then the last thing is 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. I'm gonna put this on the stove and I'm gonna let it heat and stir until everything gets dissolved. We don't want it to boil though. We want it like right before boiling, and then we're gonna take it off and we're just gonna pour it right into our jars. These were some onions that have been sitting in the fridge, so they become this like pink color. They just look really nice on top of something too. It just gives it a little pop of that pink color. But now I'm gonna set these in the fridge and then they'll be ready to eat honestly within like 2 hours. You don't have to wait a long time to use them. So if you're gonna have like a barbecue or something, it's perfect. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I'm so excited to share these with you guys. I hope you try them. If you do, let me know what you think, and we'll see you again next week.